Hey guys, hope y'all are doing well. I got some time before work today, so just gonna take a bit of this Chhinkni shit, for fun. I'm not gonna talk in this one as much as I do in some of my other videos, because I know some people just like to listen to me actually sneeze versus me going on my long rant, so that's what I'm gonna do then, so, yeah. Also, I've been really pissed off with my nose lately. Because, I don't know what's going on, if I got allergies or not, but, yeah, so. This stuff works so quick. God damn. Alright, I'll get out of my chair. Now it's just fucking with me. Take a little more of it. Such a sudden burning. Oh. Oh. Some days it's more effective than others. Oh. Ew. Ew. No. Ew. Yeah. I'm gonna get a Q-tip now. I'll be right back. Oh. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna induce with a Q-tip for a little bit now. Ew. Ew. Ew.